and welcome back to Darvanalee Designs Studio. For those that don't know, my name's Nicole Reed, and today we are here for what should have been a stitch with me, but we're actually just going to do day 12 of our Advent opening. So let's get started. Well, good morning. And welcome back to the channel. I do apologise for the no stitch with me today. Unfortunately, I have been under the pump in the last couple of days, or actually last couple of weeks, with all the filming and planning and all the stuff, and then little M coming along and some quilts that I've got to get done. So something had to give, and today's stitch with me is what ended up giving, because I have been busy making bowl cozies and plate cozies for people for Christmas. Not for me, they are actually orders that I've got to get out, and they were supposed to go out on Friday, and I got held up and with everything that's been going on. So something had to give, and it was the stitch with me this morning. I was hoping to film yesterday, but as I said, I have been trying to get quilting done and all that sort of stuff, and it is my busy time of year. Even though I've closed off my orders, I am still making stuff. I should have everything done by the end of the week, if not this time the following week. So yes, also we've had a little bit of a development since the last time we spoke, which was on Sunday. After I filmed that, my partner and my kids, we're all going down to Brisbane on anyway, one day this week we're going down, so I have to move a few things around. So my live stream for DDs Crafting with DDs will go up on Friday, and my floss tube will go up on Thursday, if not Saturday. You'll see something. So there's just a lot happening at the moment because it is the crazy time of year. All of the advents will be done and put up when they go up. So I will be doing another live stream this week for crafting with DDs, and we'll continue on with working with Among the Stars, which is that way. Among the Stars, we'll continue working with that. But today that is just a little update of what's happening this week. I've had to do a lot of shuffling around, and I'm sure that you can all understand, because I know that you're all excited that little Em is here for a visit for Christmas, and you can totally understand that I'm putting my family first. As much as I love you guys, I do have to put them first, and I know that you will all understand that. So we are here, as I said, for day 12 of our that one just came off, of our advent. So we've got one from Moni Decor Me Moni K, which is an ornament, which the little thing just came off, and we've got one from Said With Love, and we've got one from the lovely Gail at Wombat Hollow Crafts. So we always start with our ornament one. It's only a little one today, and so this, it tells me that this one was made with recycled fence palings, so that's good. At least they're using recycled stuff. Yeah, so let's see what we've got, shall we? As you can tell, I'm pretty flustered. I've been trying to entertain a 7-year-old while trying to work. It's not happening. It's not happening. And she's fighting with everybody today. So she's settled in. She's been here for a week. She's settled back into things. All right, so we have another little triangle. We had one very similar to this, except it had a lot more. This one's got beads on it. The other one just had a tassel. So we've got another one of these. And the other one was white. Yeah, same color. No, different color. Sorry, brown with the white. So yeah, we've got two of those. So that's very cute. Awesome. And as I thought, the little EPP one, Mia wants that, and the tiger one, she also wants that as well. She's been out here cleaning, and then she tried to take these sparkly ones from over here, and I'm like, I don't think so. You can have those other ones. You're not having my crystal ones. All right, so day 12 of the Said With Love. So let's find out what it is. Is there anything in there? Oh yeah, there it is. It's only little today. All right. Oh, that is so cute. It's a little, let me find out what it is. This cute Tula Pink Sweetheart magnet is great to help keep your EPP shapes from moving while you're sewing them together. So this is just like a little sew tight, except it's a heart one. And let me just, does it come off? Gosh, those magnets are tough. All right, that's a tough little magnet. I think it's absolutely adorable. The magnet is actually a heart. And so, okay, so yeah. Oh, so it's got 2 magnets on the back. Oh, where's my camera? There it is. Got two magnets on the back, and then you've got your plate that it attaches to. So like the sew tights. So that's cute. I like that. I'll pop that up there with my EPP stuff. All right, the next one that we're going to open is the one from Gail. This one's a mystery, so let's see what we've got today. Does it rattle? No. I can't tell with that one because there's a lot of paper on it. It's very soft and squishy, so maybe, I don't know, no, it's got a bit of hardness to it. I don't know. Let's have a look, shall we? Yesterday's magnet needle minder was great. All right. I love it, Gail. It's absolutely perfect. It's another needle minder. I also do diamond painting. I don't do it very often, so I use a lot of my needle minders for holding the plastic sheet back and all the rest of it. So it is another one, and I'm a sociopath, but it is spelled. Can we get it without any? There we go. That is perfect. I love it. She knows me too well. That is awesome. I love it. Thank you. So cute. She's been getting some really nice ones. I'm really happy with that. And that'll go over here with my other needle minders. Alrighty. So that is all I've got to show you today. Yeah, so just tune in during the week. We've got all the videos going up. I do have a tutorial going up this week. I was going to have 2. I may still have 2. It'll just depend on Little M's mood this afternoon. She's in a bit of a mood today, so I just think that she's really tired, and so she's just giving us grief, and we're pushing back, and she's not really liking it very much because obviously she's been allowed to do whatever she wants. But anyway, she's not liking the pushback. So yeah, I will endeavour to be on camera tomorrow for either a stitch with me or a tutorial. So tune in tomorrow. And as I said, my floss tube is getting moved around this week. It'll either go up on Thursday or it'll go up on Saturday. It'll go up on Thursday or it'll go up on Saturday. And our live stream, as I said, will be up on Friday, and it's at 10 a.m. and I have scheduled it. So if you're not sure where to find the live stream notifications, when you come to the home page, I have a playlist up there that has a couple of the past ones there and also an upcoming one. And the playlist is called Upcoming Live Streams. So go into that and you will find the one. It'll have upcoming on it, and I'll have a countdown for it. So it'll have however many days till we go live. So go check that out. Hit the get notified, and then that way you can join in the fun at 10 a.m. on Friday morning. But that's it from me today, and as always, hope you're getting lots of sewing in, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.